Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. I'm gonna show you what I have here. I have a Husqvarna. This is a hydrostatic machine right here. And the problem that the customer said that they noticed over time is that the machine is gradually getting slower. It's gradually don't want to go up a hill. It feels like the belt is slipping. And they try and go up a hill, it just slips and slips and slips and slips, and it barely wants to go up the hill. And then sometimes it does fine, but over time they notice that it's gotten worse. I'm gonna show you what the problem that they're having, and a problem that's very, very common with a lot of these machines right here. First, I want to show you the deck. It's the deck that goes on there. And if you look at the top of this deck right here, there's a hole right there. Just flip the bottom of it up. This is the bottom of the deck right here. There's a hole right there, and it's being eaten out over there too. Look at the blades. The blades are shot. The blades are bad. This customer right here has a lot of dirt in their yard, has a lot of sand in their yard. Dirt and sand is very, very bad, especially on metal parts, plastic parts, almost anything. And what's happening is that all that dirt and sand is done create a hole in the top of that deck, and all that debris, all the sand, all the dirt is actually shooting on top of that deck up there. Is actually shooting up through the bottom of the machine, the bottom of the lawnmower, up here where the belt is at, up here where all the plastic pulleys are at. Look at this pulley right here. This is a plastic pulley. That pulley is actually locked up. It's actually burnt up. And the belt has actually jumped over top of that pulley, and the machine won't move. Dirt is very, very bad. Sand is bad, especially on plastic parts. They'll get up inside there. They'll lock the pulleys up. They'll wear those pulleys out. They'll wear your blades out. They'll wear your belts out. But also, too, I'm going to show you this whole entire area right here. This area right here, this whole entire area is very important. This is a very, very important area right here. This is where your controls are at for your belt, for your pulleys, your idler arm, for your pulleys, for your drive. And if you get dirt and sand up inside there, it's going to start locking the pulleys up. It's going to start getting so much debris up there that your clutch pedal will not fully retract. I'm going to show you another very, very important area. If you can see this little mechanism right here that's moving, that mechanism right there is extremely important. That's a major, major function into whether your belt is going to slip and not slip. All this debris right here that's getting caught up there, like this, all that dirt and sand that's caught up there, that right there is going to prevent your belt from being tight. So when you press the clutch down and you release that clutch, you see that belt's getting tight and it's getting loose. See, it's loose now. I'm gonna let the clutch off. See how tight it is now? If this mechanism right here is obstructed, or there's a bunch of dirt and sand right here, it's not gonna fully allow that belt to retract like it's supposed to. So when you get ready to go up a hill, it's not gonna be tight and it's gonna slip on you. These pulleys are plastic. They might last you maybe 5 years, 4 years. They'll melt on you if you get a bunch of debris up there, or if it just goes out. I've seen this many times in the past. Make sure you keep this whole entire area right here very, very clean. This could probably be the reason why, if you have this style machine with a hydrostatic drive, the reason why your belt's slipping. All this debris up here, it needs to be all cleaned out. You got to keep it clean. This ain't been cleaned out probably never, or probably it's been a couple years that's been cleaned out, but this is their problem. I need to replace those pulleys right there. I need to replace this belt, and that should fix that problem. So if you have this style machine, a Husqvarna style machine, it happens sometimes on the John Deeres too. And a lot of craftsmen have the same exact style setup right here. If you have a hole in your deck, get the hole welded. If you can blow your machine off, not every use, but every couple uses, keep an eye on this area right here. If you see debris starting to pile up, several things could be happening. You probably got a hole in your deck. Get the deck welded. Make sure also too, if you got like an air blower, a little small blower with like this right here, where you can just actually get up in there and blow it with a long wand on it. like that. Get up under and keep that area clean. I've seen limbs up under there. I've seen sticks up under there. I've seen all type of foreign objects up under here that's actually riding on that belt that'll get lodged up in there and you don't know it. This is an area that you want to keep. You want to keep an eye on any kind of machine, whether it's a used machine, whether it's a new machine. If your belt is slipping, this is a very, 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 very important area to keep an eye on, to check out. This product could be causing you problems. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share.